In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix if you're getting an error code on your Discord which says error code 3002 on a Windows 11. So this usually happens when the microphone is not getting detected. That is the reason why this is happening. So if you're facing this is what we have to do. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to navigate to the search here. We need to type your first settings, and what you need to do is click on the settings here. Now, once you get into the settings, go to the privacy and security at the left. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the microphone. Now from here, what you need to do is make sure the microphone access being turned on, and also go to let app access your microphone should also be turned on. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and make sure let desktop app access your microphone is turned on. Make sure for all these desktop app I have given the access here, and also if you find the Discord here, make sure it is turned on as well. So this is the first and foremost step we need to cross check if you're having this trouble. After cross checking this, what you need to do is we have to close this. Now at the bottom here, you have to click on the speaker icon like this, right click and go to the sound setting. Now from here in the sound setting, go to the input and make sure that you have selected the right audio device. So in my case, the microphone is a Blue AT Stereo microphone which I'm using right now. So this is the microphone that even I'll be using on the Discord as well. So I have set this as a default one, and also make sure the volume is set into the maximum. It's not muted. And now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down over here and make sure that you have to click on mode sound setting. And also go to the recording and make sure the select or the right device is being selected. So in my case, the microphone is selected, and also have kept these as a default device. Now I need to right click and go to the properties and go to the advanced. Make sure allow applications to take exclusive control of the device should be selected as it is. Now just go for it OK, and you have to close this. Now we need to go back to the Discord, and from here what you need to do is we have to go to the user setting. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the voice and video. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to select the right device from here. So for the microphone, I have already selected the right device. That's the microphone is Blue AT Stereo microphone. So for some users, this will be Windows default. It's not the Blue AT or whatever the speaker or the mic you're trying to, just cross check it. So in my case, the default window microphone is what I have selected. So that is the reason I'm getting this. So once you select the right device, make sure that you have to set the microphone volume to the 100%, which is very important. And also from here, after cross-checking this, you have to check. But still, if you're having the trouble, then go to the voice and video once again. Now from here, you have to scroll it down all the way down over here at the bottom. Now there is an option called reset all voice and video settings. So you have to go for the reset. So what happens is it will be changed to the default set of voice and video settings. And afterwards, if we go back, the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And this is what we have to do, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.